Greetings, everyone! If some excited hands or usage has damaged your pop tube, you don't need to throw them away. Today, the BunMo team is going to demonstrate to you how they can be fixed almost instantly. As you can see, we have a brand new pop tube. Now, the enthusiastic hands start to squish the tube in, making it completely deformed. See, it won't close anymore. However, you have nothing to worry about. Simply find yourself an item that fits in the tube. For this instance, we're using a standard pen. And push that item down into the tube. And there you have it! The pop tube is as good as new. For a standard XL-sized pop tube, you can still use anything that fits, like this pen again. Here, you will put the pen inside the damaged tube and push out any deformations. And voila! It really is that easy. Thank you for watching.